CNC Training BD. The mission and vision is so dreamable. We are going on with advanced technology like SolidWorks, the mechanical machine and part design, mastercam, auto machining code generate and robotic machine working and numeric control. And finally, numeric control machine operation. This is the most important things of mechanical engineering section, where mission is so dreamable. We want go forward for teaching every people who were the learn CNC program VMC EDM wirecut machining. CNC Training BD.